guys, welcome back to Melanie and Ethan. And in today's vlog, we'll be going to the beach. I'm already in the outfit. I really don't care if I get wet because I feel like wearing a bikini today. I'll show you the fit. I'm wearing this shirt and I'm wearing these plain shorts, and I'll have a little bit of a belly. Because after you have a baby, you don't get 100% all that skin. You still have like that little extra little fat. And I already got the food ready. We're taking 2 sandwiches for me and my mom, and Ethan's gonna have chicken, rice, and beans. So in here I have more milk. I'm taking a bottle, some juice, water, his foods in this thermal, which already has a spoon and all of that, fruit, grapes, cookies, goldfish, and then yogurt melts, and also this little fruit, organic fruit pouch with vegetables in it. So now we're home. We're just gonna shower, and honestly I'm gonna end the vlog right here. Thanks for watching, guys, and until next time, bye.